Okay, so we've got text for button 1 and text for button 1, but this button 1, again, that's not what it's supposed to be called. So what we're going to use this for is our About screen. So let me rename that button 1 to button About. Now all it does is change its name in the Components panel. The actual properties of it are all over here. So I'm going to change the text on it so that it says About. Same thing with this one. This says text for button 1. I'm going to change it so it says Hello Cody. Now there's a lot more that you can do with these buttons. You can change their color. You can change the background color of this. You can make it transparent. Tons of options. We're just going to stick with the basics for now and then talk about ways of making it pretty. So we've got two different places where we want our menu to go. Right now, we only have Screen 1. Now, why are we doing this? Because we can't rename Screen 1. So instead, our Screen 1 is just always going to do this, and that's the one that runs whenever you run the app. So to have more things in here, we will now need to add these screens. So I'm going to add a screen, and I'm going to call this one About. And I'll go ahead and add another screen for coding Hello Cody on. Hello Cody. So now I list my 3 screens here. Now it automatically goes to that screen. We aren't going to code those just yet, but let me go back to Screen 1, and I want this button to now be active and do something, which is open up the other screen. So to make this About button open the other screen, we'll need to go to our blocks here and do some block coding. You can see the button About right here under the Screen 1 components. And when you click on it, we can scroll to the top because these are the actions. So when the button About is clicked is the one that we want. And we simply want to navigate to a new screen. So go to Control, and you're going to look on here for the Open Another Screen piece right here. Open Another Screen, and it's got the name of the screen. So I'm going to drag it and pop it right into that spot. And it knows what screens we have, so it is going to open the About screen. Let's go ahead and do the other one. So button Hello Cody should do the same thing. Let's go ahead and go to the top. When the Hello Cody button is clicked, notice this one is above the About, so I try to place them in the same order, and we're going to do about the same thing. So I'm going to cheat and just Control-C, Control-V on that section, because I know we want it to open our Hello Cody screen. And now we've coded our main menu so that these buttons will go to those screens. The main problem we would have right now is that going there, we don't have a way to get back. So that's going to be next, is going ahead and coding those screens so that we have a way to get back to this menu. We're simply going to close those screens. So we'll do that next.